It's 6 a.m. and I'm off again. Today I'm walking to Pamplona. Yesterday I looked everywhere for the supermarket and it was closed. And just to confirm, I'm looking at it here. That's it. That's the supermarket. I came down maybe around 2 or 3. It was absolutely closed. So all I had was the vending machine. And now I'm back on the Camino. That is a magnesium plant. I just spotted this little fella outside the fence and it doesn't look open anywhere, so I was going to put him back in, but I don't think I can. I nearly missed this sign because it's dark and there's not really a signpost, but I've been using an app called Camino Ninja, and that seems to have been helping me a lot navigate when I don't know where I am. But I'll just show you. So I came from up that way, and it seems like there's a path that goes that way, but I just looked at the map and the Camino Ninja said you go down, you go that way, and you go that way. And I also just found that but it's very dark because it's like 6 a.m. So yeah, you just kind of have to be really vigilant, otherwise you'll get on the wrong path. Oh, there it is. Like I'm gonna see that. That is so small. It's not in front of when you're coming down that hill. So it's good that they put the sign up. But then over here, they've got another little sign. There you go. And this is, looks like, I guess, the magnesium mining place. You just keep following the signs. And just like that, I made a wrong turn, but luckily I have the app. So I checked the app and it says I need to go down here, check a left. And this is the sign that I missed. I stopped and get some water, and an older fellow rolled up. Thought it was Spanish. So we pretty much had a 10-minute conversation where I'm speaking Spanish, and at the very end he told me he was Italian. Cool mural. There's something really comforting in walking this early in the morning and just being outside amongst everything and not having anywhere to be. It's very cathartic. That was my bunkmate from the last hostel who was above me, who just flew past on the bike. Man, that's just so cool. Good on him. I am surprisingly a third of the way to Pamplona. I just passed my cycling mate back there. He's got a flat tire. Oh, it's so painful when you get a flat tire. And honestly, it's so common because there's a lot of rocks here. There's something really nice about walking next to the river. The sound is so calming. Parts of this is giving me the Never-Ending Story, Swamp of Sadness vibes. It's just more green, less gray. I'm so excited because there's a rest stop. I was just speaking with someone at one of the rest stops, and he said that someone asked him, who's never done the Camino, what do you listen to when you're walking the Camino? And he said nothing. And I kind of agree, because you're just walking and you're lost in your thoughts and you're listening to the birds. And you kind of don't want to listen to anything else. You just kind of want to listen to everything around you, because having nothing is something really positive. If you look behind me, you'll see I've got a steady stream of people. So I must be going the right way. And I have emerged into another little village. Now we're on a very little path. Man, these views they're just so spectacular. Oh, more climbing. I just came from down there. It's a big climb. All right, what's the sign say? Pamplona, 6.4 kilometers. Fantastic. 6.4 is like nothing. Actually, I think this was the easiest day out of the last three. The first one was the hardest. Yesterday was moderately, and now I only have 6.4 more left to go, and I'm feeling pretty good. So let's see what happens. Okay, here's a tunnel. It's a bit muddy. There's about 1 hour of walking to go, and then I'm there. I'm getting closer to Pamplona because there's a lot more buildings around. I see a bridge ahead. My calves are really feeling it right now. Good thing I'm only 4.5 kilometers away, and then I can stop. It's laundry day. Found the bicycle route. Only 1.3 kilometers to go. I'm gonna cross that next. I don't care, I'm taking the lift. I'm so glad I took the lift because now I'm gonna cross on that bridge. I just had a lovely cyclist go by and wish me a good Camino. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I've made it. There's laundry for as long as you can see.